Hi, Big Tractor Power fans. I'm out in a western Kentucky winter wheat field with a pair of new Holland CR8090 Combines. These are Class 8 combines rated at 449 horsepower and can carry 350 bushels of grain. We're going to watch these big combines harvesting the winter wheat crop for about 5 minutes as they work their way back and forth across the field so that you can see and hear their operation. They'll be unloading on the go into a J&M 1401 grain storm grain cart pulled by a 400 horsepower New Holland T9.450 four-wheel drive tractor. I hope that you'll enjoy the sights and sounds of the harvest. After the twin rotor combines have harvested the winter wheat, the farm will plant a second crop of soybeans into the winter wheat stubble. This no-till operation is led by a 340 engine horsepower New Holland T9.450 Genesis tractor pulling a 36-row 20-inch spaced Kinsey 3700 series planter. This planter is no-tilling in 60 foot of soybeans that will be harvested later in the fall. I hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in the field seeing and hearing this New Holland machinery at work harvesting wheat and planting soybeans. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. If you have any questions or thoughts about the video, please share them in the comment section below as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you'd like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.